Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to do some reviews of these free crypto airdrops. These are the best ones for May. I will tell you which ones these coins are and how you can get them to participate and get this airdrop. I also have been covering this in a couple of other videos the previous month. You can see these free money best crypto airdrops on March, for example, also for April, and in this video you can see what websites and how I managed to know what are the best airdrops each month. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, first of all, before going to each of the airdrops that I want to show you, are 6 of them today. You can check other videos that I did regarding this topic, going into my channel and looking for airdrop, this keyword here. You will get all the airdrops videos that I did. You can check this one, is how get free altcoins using these airdrop websites. And you can see many of the websites and places that I found airdrops. Like I mentioned in a couple of videos, for example in this one, how make money in crypto 7 ways. One way is being up to date with airdrops. Like you know, many people got rich with Uniswap at the beginning because it was an airdrop for Ethereum holders. So airdrops are not something that you need to take lightly. It's a way to get free crypto, but also it's a way to be early in projects that maybe will pump a lot in the future. So I recommend you to check the current video and see my previous videos on that. So for this month, I will start with the 6 projects that I will mention here. The first one is Binance Yield. If you look these cryptos in CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, you are not going to find them because they are still for launch. So this is estimated to value $150, the airdrop for this crypto. So the end date is the 22nd of May, so you still have time. And Binance Yield promised a market lending returns for holding digital assets through its simple, streamlined program designed to put utility tokens into the market. The users earn BNB in return for offering their unused cryptocurrency as a reward, whereas borrowers pay interest in the same token. So basically it's similar to some of the new projects like Sapphire or Safu, where you hold the coins and you will earn this token as a reward. In order to participate here, you can see this. I will put this link on the description, but basically you need to fill up this form. You can go and click there. This is a website at bnbyield.online, and here you have a button to claim the tokens that will pump up your MetaMask wallet. One thing that I really recommend you is that don't use your MetaMask or Trustwallet wallet that you used for another things. Just have a particular address for airdrops, because many of these are not projects that have been launched and you don't want to be caught with a rug pull, with a scam project. So there are some risks on this airdrop stuff and you need to connect your wallet here. So I recommend you to use a particular wallet for all these kind of airdrops. Don't use a wallet that you held another crypto. So once you do that, you need to go to Twitter and follow the Twitter page, like and retweet the Twitter posts of the airdrop, and you need to join to the Telegram also, and follow the Binance Yield social pages for Facebook and YouTube. So the requirements are a Twitter account, a Binance Smart Chain address, and you need to follow in the social media. Usually, always is like that. To participate in an airdrop, you need to engage your social medias into the community of the project. That is super standard. So I also have particular social medias accounts for this kind of thing. Usually you will need a Facebook, a Twitter, an Instagram, and a YouTube page also. So usually with this social media, you will be able to participate in all these airdrops. And the airdrops are also a way that the company start to engage people in the community. So it's not that maybe because you don't have many followers, like you can see here, this project only have 300 followers right now, so very little amount. This could grow over time. They joined in January, just 3 months ago, so Yeah, that doesn't mean that the project is a scam or anything like that. But of course, I cannot guarantee anything of that. That is why I recommend you to use different social media and a different account to participate in your airdrops. But in this video, we are going to cover 6. This one, you have the estimation value of the airdrop that you will get is $150. Maybe for you, that is a very low amount. Maybe for other viewer, that is a very good amount of money just for free. But if you do this constantly with many airdrops, at the end you will get a little amount of money. In my channel at Cryptocurrency State, we have one person that is dedicated to follow all the airdrops. After all, we will be selling the airdrops after lunch, after some pump, and we'll keep more that money in more stable coins, or maybe in Bitcoin or another coins more strongs. But you could find some gems over the way regarding the airdrops. So it's a good strategy to get free money and also to have some chance to find out a gem that could really pump in the future and you already have some tokens on that. So in position 2 we have Excavator XCA. We don't have a track value for this and ends the 8th of May, so you don't have much time for this one. And Excavator is one of the leading networks of miners, offering cryptocurrency mining capabilities to millions of people in every range. Its mission is to make acquiring cryptocurrency easy by educating newcomers on the role played by mining and how they can mount their very own house lot mining operations. So this is another project, and in order to participate, again, you need to go to the community for Telegram, you need to go to the Twitter account, etc. They have the website excavator.co. You can check some stuff about the project there. You also can go to ICO-listinggoonline.com and you have information about this airdrop and the website. They have 8,000 followers, so they are a little more advanced than the previous project, and they joined in March 2022, so really new project also, and you can participate here on this airdrop. And the list continues this way, so I will put the link on the description so you can do it for your own. The third one is Mars Fellow, Mars Crystal. We don't have a track estimating value of the airdrop. Finishes on the 15th of May. And Mars Fellow is one of the top crypto airdrops coming in May because the network delivers tools that allow consumers to trade their NFTs and another digital collectible freely. The ecosystem even will enable creators to launch their own assets and digital works in a rich integrated marketplace. So you can see some projects are more interesting than others. This one is more focused for miners. This one now is more focused on NFTs and marketplaces around NFT ecosystem. So you need to find your gems, but you can participate in all of these ones. Mars Fellows has 7,000 followers only. Again, these communities are just building up, but you can follow and see everything about the project here. So yeah, the steps to participate are the same that in another projects. Follow the Twitter, retweet something, join Telegram, and fill out the form that they put the link here. So in this particular case, you need to fill out this giveaway for the tokens. In fourth position, we have GEOTFI token, GETO. This is a tracked value for the airdrop. The end date is 31 of May. And this is a blockchain art disruption done right. The token targets institutions, large and small, that focus on arts, culture, linguistic, and social courses worldwide. That way, besides being a remarkable store of value, GETO is poised to become an investment instrument for investors who understand the intrinsic value of culture. So, little rare project from my perspective, but you can go also in Twitter, participate there. Only 500 followers, so this is also a community that is starting to be built. This is in Binance Smart Chain, and here you have the pin tweet for the airdrop that you need to retweet. You can see here, follow the Twitter of the company, like and retweet the pin post on the airdrop. That is the one that we just saw here, and it's this one. So doing these easy steps, you can participate for the airdrop of the project. In position 5 we have Savage Goose. This ends the 19th of May, and it acts as a bridge between the virtual and real world of gaming. Unlike others of its first of its kind, Savage Goose, SVG, will be one-stop shop of obtaining gaming tokens and other cryptocurrencies. A player-owned economy where players can truly buy and sell as well as trade resources. And that looks very, very interesting. So I am imagining that you can get tokens for Sandbox and you can get tokens for another play-to-earn games in the same marketplace or in the same framework or ecosystem. So that looks like a very good idea. Also, you need to join to the social medias. We have only 200 followers here. Don't be afraid for that. Don't think that this is a scam just because of that. But again, be very careful, use a particular wallet for all these airdrops, and also use particular social media, I recommend you. So you don't get spam or scam for some connections that you make on this. And the last one is Rolex token. We don't have a track estimation value and ends the 29th of May. And Rolex token is one of the top crypto airdrops, making it easy to spend crypto on your favorite brands. Spend your coins on what you want through Rolex easily and securely through its card and wallet services. That means you can hold and trade your crypto only when you need to. I'm not sure how really are connected with the Rolex company. I don't think so. The website is like very super easy. Same like the first project, you can claim your tokens here. Be sure, I don't know if this is a scam or not. I don't think this is connected to the real Rolex company. So this could be something to consider in terms of security. Of course, again, use a particular wallet for this. Only 10 followers at the moment of the video. So yeah, this looks the more scammy of all the airdrops. But again, if you are secure with the ways that I mentioned, you should not lose anything of value. And after the launches, you need to follow the project a little bit after the dates to know how they continue. And then you probably will have a way to pump or dump the token and move the token into a more secure token. So guys, that is all for this video. I hope you're enjoying covering these free crypto airdrops. These are the best for May right now. And don't forget, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Put your comments below. Are you following airdrops right now? Which ones? These are great ways to go through a bear market like we are right now. And also don't forget to check the other videos that I did for airdrops, especially this one that you will get the information where we look for airdrops right now. That will be all guys, and I see you tomorrow with a new video. Bye.